One tornado produced winds estimated at over 320 miles per hour, the strongest ever recorded. But it wasn't the only storm to unleash unbelievable power. From legendary F5 tornadoes to record-breaking monsters tracked by modern radar, these are the strongest tornadoes ever recorded. Number 10. Waco, Texas, 1953. On May 11, 1953, a violent F5 tornado tore through downtown Waco with estimated peak winds of around 261 miles per hour. At the time, few cities had experienced a tornado of this intensity, striking the heart of a busy downtown area. As the tornado ripped through the city, even large brick buildings were heavily damaged or collapsed, revealing just how devastating the strongest tornadoes could be. The disaster also became a turning point for meteorologists, helping drive improvements in severe weather forecasting and tornado warning systems. Its incredible power and lasting impact on tornado research earned the Waco tornado the number 10 spot on our list. Number 9. Xenia, Ohio, 1974. During the infamous super outbreak of 1974, an F5 tornado struck the city of Xenia with estimated peak winds approaching 285 miles per hour. Entire neighborhoods were swept away as the tornado carved a destructive path through the community. The storm became one of the defining tornadoes of the 20th century, giving scientists one of their first opportunities to closely study the aftermath of an exceptionally violent tornado. The lessons learned from Xenia helped improve tornado engineering and safety for years to come. Number 8. Tri-State Tornado, 1925. Long before weather radar existed, the Tri-State Tornado became one of the most legendary storms in history. With estimated peak winds near 270 miles per hour, it traveled an astonishing 219 miles across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Its extraordinary speed, incredible longevity, and unmatched path length remain records that have stood for nearly a century. Even today, meteorologists continue to study the Tri-State Tornado to better understand how such an extraordinary storm was able to survive for so long. Number 7. Spencer, South Dakota, 1998. The Spencer tornado may not be as famous as others on this list, but it produced some of the most impressive wind measurements ever recorded. Mobile Doppler radar estimated peak winds around 264 miles per hour as the powerful F4 tornado crossed eastern South Dakota. Because scientists were able to observe the storm with modern technology, it became one of the best documented examples of extreme tornado intensity. The data collected helped researchers better understand the inner structure of violent tornadoes. Number 6. Red Rock, Oklahoma, 1991. On April 26, 1991, the Red Rock tornado formed in northern Oklahoma and quickly became one of the most powerful tornadoes ever studied. Mobile Doppler radar estimated winds near 280 miles per hour as the massive storm continued across open country. Unlike many violent tornadoes, Red Rock spent much of its life over rural areas, allowing researchers to focus on its remarkable structure instead of widespread urban destruction. The storm remains one of the strongest tornadoes ever observed by radar and earns the number 6 spot on our list. If you're enjoying the countdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to EpicWildSphere for more incredible natural disaster documentaries. Number 5. Andover, Kansas, 1991. On April 26, 1991, a violent F5 tornado struck the town of Andover with estimated peak winds of around 286 miles per hour. The tornado became one of the most recognizable storms of the 1990s after dramatic video footage captured its massive wedge shape as it approached the city. The storm's incredible power swept away well-built homes and left behind damage that engineers would study for years. Its unforgettable footage and exceptional intensity secure the number 5 spot on our list. Number 4. Jarrell, Texas, 1997. The Jarrell tornado is remembered as one of the most violent tornadoes ever documented. Estimated peak winds reached around 290 miles per hour as the powerful F5 moved unusually slowly across the Texas landscape. Instead of racing across the countryside like most tornadoes, Jarrell crawled forward, allowing its violent winds to remain over the same locations for several minutes. That rare movement produced some of the most extreme ground scouring and structural damage ever recorded. Number 3. Reno, Piedmont, Oklahoma, 2011. On May 24, 2011, an EF5 tornado formed near El Reno in Piedmont with estimated peak winds of approximately 295.5 miles per hour. Scientists later used advanced radar technology to analyze the storm, making it one of the strongest tornadoes ever studied. Its remarkable structure and extraordinary wind speeds continue to make it an important case study for meteorologists seeking to better understand the limits of tornado intensity. Number 2. El Reno, Oklahoma, 2013. Just 2 years later, another historic tornado developed near El Reno. Estimated peak winds reached approximately 296 miles per hour, while the tornado expanded to an astonishing width of over 2.6 miles, making it the widest tornado ever recorded. Its enormous size challenged even experienced storm chasers and provided researchers with an unprecedented opportunity to observe an extremely powerful tornado using modern technology. Number 1. Bridge Creek Moor, Oklahoma, 1999. Taking the number 1 spot is the Bridge Creek Moor tornado of May 3, 1999. During the historic outbreak, mobile Doppler radar measured winds reaching an incredible 321 miles per hour, the highest tornado wind speed ever recorded. The tornado demonstrated a level of power unlike anything scientists had ever documented. Entire neighborhoods were swept away, and the radar data forever changed what meteorologists believed tornadoes were capable of producing. More than 2 decades later, Bridge Creek Moor remains the benchmark against which every violent tornado is compared, earning its place as the strongest tornado ever recorded. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like this video, subscribe to EpicWildSphere, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next natural disaster documentary. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.